Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Got some tools off eBay. 19 tools. These should be interesting tools, not your average. This isn't going to be your average tool life. And these should be pretty big tools as well. Let's go like that. Oh, each one wrapped individually here. Okay. I'll just open these and show them to you real quick, and then we'll go back through them, and I can show you more of the details. Cool, very cool. So just briefly look at them right now. That's lightweight. Alright, I'll be back in a bit and we'll take a closer look at this stuff. Alright guys, let's check this stuff out. Got a Herbrand. It's an 8-point double box in, number 2332. This was some sort of a old Ford brake tool. It's got a little number right here, a vague number, S53 or something. Got another Ford related kind of a multi-tool here. I found out that's from the 1930s. This is a Barcalo Buffalo. It's got the patent number there. Pretty cool. Got another most likely Ford related wrench here based on the number and whatever I can find. There were some other ones out there and they said this was a Ford wrench. It's got a hook spanner opening on the other side. The duo lock nut, some sort of a valve wrench, maybe it's for plumbing. INM number 795, and I have another one that's similar. It's got multiple uses, 4-in-1 combination. Basket strainer nut, Covers Co. Just got like a, looks like a bicycle wrench, basic. Little hook spanner. This one, it's got a hook spanner, maybe a hydrant wrench or maybe another plumbing wrench of some sort, but it's really cool. Love the bright red there in the crest. It's a neat one. Got a sprinkler valve wrench for fire sprinklers. PD1 Mod B SPKR wrench. Pretty pitted there. This is like a lightweight. Feels like it's maybe aluminum. I checked it with a magnet. So it's like a non-ferrous metal there, probably aluminum. Milwaukee Valve Co. It's got a number 4 right here, and then it tapers in, gets smaller on the other side. And it's got a number there. 7612 looks like. Got a no-name hook spanner here. We have a heavy-duty, I'm thinking of maybe a hubcap wrench of some sort. But if any of you guys know, let me know. And it's got some markings on there, but nothing really I can make out. This Chromex quality manifold wrench. Made in USA. Chrome vanadium. Water pump wrench. Super wrench by Williams. Number 895, 1 1/16. This one was hard to find information on. As far as I know, looking up the company, it looks like it was early 1900s, and there's a few mentions of this company in like some old newspapers that I could find online. Let me know if any of you guys know about the Berlin, Michigan, or Berlin Machine Works. This one I couldn't come up with anything. It looks like some sort of bolt-on wrench. It's offset here. It's got the number 297-21. Any ideas? Maybe I was thinking some sort of a, I don't know, hubcap wrench for a motorcycle, or who knows, I don't know. Let me know. And then lastly, we got some tank wrenches. Airco multi-wrench. There's ox weld. It looks like there's not much on this. I don't think there's any markings on this one. Okay guys, that is it. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.